Hello everyone, I am out in Orlando today working with one of my favorite clients. We've had a Passway installation set up here for them about a year ago. In case you're not familiar, here's kind of how this works. There is an exit scanner right here. They give them a barcode. The customer scans that code and it opens this gate, which is actually pretty cool because in most rental car situations you end up going up to an exit booth with a security guard in it. That security guard is very expensive and it also takes a bit of time, 2, 3, 5 minutes. Here, scan and exit, 10, 15 seconds tops. The cool thing about this one though is that they are wanting to move their model around. What they've done in the past is they print out that barcode and give it to the customer along with the keys for the car. So at this location and at a bunch of locations around the country later this year, they are looking to move to what I call the keys in car model. And this is where they leave the keys directly in the car and it's no longer an option to give the customer a printed barcode. So because of that, they have to have another way to do this. So we were doing some upgrades out here for them this week to allow it to the system to scan QR codes off of a mobile device. This way, when someone makes a reservation, now the QR code is emailed to them and they just pull out their phone and go straight to the exit and scan. There's no more printed barcodes, there's no more working with an agent. They just go to the car, get in, drive to the exit, scan. So we built a whole system here that not only allows them to scan those QR codes, but an API that ties in with their rental software. So when they generate that rental agreement in their software, it automatically creates that QR code, sends it to the customer, and then our system is aware of that QR code so it can scan it and exit. This saves them tens of thousands of dollars every month, probably close to, I think they told me about $350,000 per year per location where they're going to have this set up. So this is a huge savings for them.